Hello everyone, this is Nilesh. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install JDK on your Windows machine. But before that, if you are not sure whether JDK is already installed on your machine, we have some Java commands. So to check that, just open command prompt, use the command Java space hyphen version all small, enter. And if you are getting this particular message, Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means Java is not installed or JDK is not installed on our machine. We have the second command to check, that is Java C space hyphen version. Again, we should get the same message because we don't have JDK on our machine. So let's start on the installing Java JDK. Open your favorite browser, type download JDK. Here we get the first official website of oracle.com. Just click on it. Right now we have the latest version, that is Java SE15. Before that we have Java 11 LTS, that means long term support version, and we have Java SE8. But in this session we'll cover the latest version, that is Java SE15, and to set up that, click on JDK download link. We get this particular page, come little bit down. Okay, here we have to select the link to install JDK according to our operating system that we have on our machine. So I have Windows 64, so I just click on .exe. If you have Mac OS, then you can utilize these two links. If you have Linux, then you can use these links. Let me click on .exe for me because I have Windows 10. Okay. For now, I'm canceling because I already downloaded it. I will double click on it. It will start for the installation. Is the installation started? Click on the next. Our JDK will be saved in this particular default path, that is C program files Java JDK 15.0.1. Click on next. My suggestion is don't change the default path and click on next. Now it will just start copying the file and do the rest installation. Yeah, now installation is successfully completed, but we need to make sure whether the setup has put all the required file in the necessary location. So to check that, open the C program file. Here you can find the folder Java. Just click on it. Here we have the JDK folder. This folder has been created because we have just installed the JDK on our machine. Now the next very important step is to set up the environment variables for this JDK. Why the setup of environment variable is so important? Because for compiling a Java code, we need Java C.exe, which is there in under bin folder, which is there in JDK. So if you observe in bin folder, we have Java files along with Java C. So once we set up the path environment variable, we can compile and run the Java program without giving the complete Java C path every time. So now let's start set up the path environment variable. So to set up the path environment, just click on this, right click on this PC, go to the properties, then click on the advanced system settings, and then we have the system properties window, and then we click on the environment variable. But to get the system properties, we have another shortcut. Here simply type environment. Here we get the edit the environment variable. Just click on it. We have the environment variables. Just click on environment variable. Just search for path. Here we have the path variable. Just click on edit. In path, we have to give the path for java c.exe. So uh, path where we have saved the JDK. So just open it once again. Java C JDK bin. Just copy this path and paste it over here and click on OK. We also have to set up one more variable, that is Java home. So for that, just click on new. In caps, we have to type Java underscore home, and here variable value should be the JDK path. Click on OK. So the environment variable has been set up now. So two setup for the environment variable. One is path, and in that we have to give the path for bin folder, and second one is Java home. In that we have to give the path for JDK. Click on OK. Okay. Now the setup for JDK and environment variables are completed. Now to verify whether JDK is installed or not, open command prompt once again. Please note that here if you already have the command prompt open, close it and open the fresh one and just use the same Java commands that we have used earlier, that is Java space hyphen version. This time it will show Java version 15.0.1 along with runtime environment, which is automatically get downloaded along with JDK. Also you can use the second Java command, that is Java C space hyphen version. It is showing Java C 15.0.1. Also we have one more command, that is echo space percent in caps Java underscore home percent. Click enter, then it will show the path of JDK. So now we can conclude that Java JDK along with the environment variable are completed. If we are still getting the error for these commands, then that means Java environment variables are not set up properly. But in our case now, Java setup and environment variables are properly set up. In this way, you can set up JDK on your machine and you are ready to work with Java and related programs. I hope you have enjoyed this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.